हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू नीरजाज एल्गोरिथम। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स का बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट किया था और एग्जांपल्स किए थे। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द एप्लीकेशन ऑफ डेरिवेटिव्स का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, एक्सरसाइज 6.1। लेट्स स्टार्ट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, find the rate of change of area of circle with respect to its radius when r is equal to 3 centimeter and r is equal to 4 centimeter. What he said, change in area with respect to r. As I mentioned earlier, if it is given in the question, you need to differentiate with respect to that part. So first of all, I am writing area is equal to pi r square. I will differentiate with respect to r. It become equals to 2 pi r, क्योंकि pi constant है और r के रिस्पेक्ट में हमें चेंज लाना है, एंड चेंज मीन्स डिफ्रेंसिएशन. तो फर्स्ट पार्ट आई एम टेकिंग dA by dr at r is equal to 3 centimeter. It is equals to 2 pi into 3, which is equals to 6 pi centimeter square per second. Now the next part, B part, is dA by dr, which is equals to r is equal to 4 centimeter, 2 pi into 4 equals to 8 pi centimeter square per second. Understood बच्चों? Let's start with the question number 2. The volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. I will write down the first given condition. dV by dt is equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. Again, coming to the next sentence, how fast is the surface area increasing? मतलब change in area you need to find out. Then what is the edge of the cube? L is equal to 12 centimeter. I need a volume, I need a area. I am writing here the formulas. Volume of cube is L cube and surface area is 6L square. Going to the part, volume dV by dt is equal to 3L square into dl by dt. Volume, change in volume is 8. 3 L square is 12 into 12. I am not multiplying anything, keeping it like that. Coming to the part, 8 upon 3 into 12 is equal to dl by dt. Now I have to find out the area. Area is equal to 6L square. dA by dt is equal to 6 into 2L into dl by dt. Why I am writing dl by dt? Because we are differentiating with respect to t. A and L both are variable. Coming to the part, putting the value, dA by dt is equal to 12. L का value again 12. dl by dt you already got it, 8 upon 3 into 12 into 12. Cancel the whole part. We got the answer 8 upon 3 as the change in area, centimeter square per second. I think you understood why I did not cancel anything. Hope you understood. Next question. The radius of circle is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per square. As I am repeating always, write down the given condition. dr by dt is equal to 3 centimeter per second. Find the rate of which the area of circle is increasing. Means change in area we need to find out. The other condition, r is equal to 10 centimeter. Now we will start the question. What is the area of the circle? A is equal to pi r square. dA by dt, I am differentiating with respect to the t. It become 2 pi r into dr by dt. dA by dt I need to find out. 2 pi, r का value is 10 into 10 and dr by dt is, we have already given 3 centimeter. Now this become 60 pi centimeter square per second. Fourth question. An edge of a variable cube is increasing at the rate of 3 centimeter per second. I will write down the condition. This is dl by dt is equal to 3 centimeter per second. How fast is the volume? What is dv by dt? I need to find out. Now, side L is equal to 10 centimeter. Coming to the part, volume of cube is L cube dv by dt is equal to 3L square into dl by dt. I have given all the conditions. 3 into 10 into 10 into 3, which is equals to 900 centimeter cube per second. Why centimeter cube? Because it is change in the volume. That is our answer. If you have any doubt or you did not understand anything, please comment in a comment section. Fifth question. A stone is dropped into a quiet lake and waves moves in a circle at speed of 5 centimeter per second. At the instant when the radius of the circular wave is 8 centimeter, how fast is the enclosed area increasing? First condition, 5 centimeter per second. That means change in radius, dr by dt, which is equals to 5 centimeter per second. Next condition, r is equal to 8 centimeter. The next condition, need to find out dA by dt. जब आप सारी given conditions लिख लेते हैं तो question is easy to do. Now I am writing A is equal to pi r square, differentiation with respect to t, pi 2r into dr by dt is equal to pi. R का value we already have 8, it's 5, that become 80 pi centimeter square per second. Area unit will be power square, time with respect to time. Hope you understand everything. Sixth question. The radius of a circle is increasing at the rate of 0.7 centimeter per second. dr by dt is equal to 0.7 centimeter per second. Rate of increase of its circumference, dc by dt, we need to find out. Now, what is the circumference? It is 2 pi r. I will differentiate with respect to t. It become 2 pi r1 into dr by dt. Coming to the values, 2 into pi into 1, dr by dt is 0.7, which is equals to 1.4 centimeter per second. Why? Because circumference means the perimeter or the length. It is per second. The length x of a rectangle is decreasing at the rate of 5 centimeter per minute, and the width y is increasing at the rate of 4 centimeter per minute. When x is equal to 8, y is equal to 6, find the rate of change of the perimeter and the area of rectangle. As I am always telling you, first of all write all the given conditions. Then I am writing here dx by dt is equal to minus 5 centimeter per minute. Then dy by dt is equal to 4 centimeter per minute. Then x is equal to 8 centimeter and y is equal to 6 centimeter. This is the given condition I am writing. Now what we need to find out, rate of change of the perimeter and rate of change of the area. First of all, writing the formula, 2 into x plus y rectangle. Differentiating with respect to t is equal to 2. X differentiation is dx by dt plus dy by dt. Now this is equal to, what is the dx by dt value? It's minus 5 plus 4, which is equals to 2 minus 1 minus 2 centimeter per minute. Again, area. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. I am differentiating with respect to t, because you are seeing that two functions are multiplying and both are variables. So using product rule, taking out x, differentiation of y, taking y out, differentiation of x. Putting the value, x value is 8, dy by dt is 4, y value is 6, dx by dt is minus 5. It will be 32 minus 30, which is equals to 2 centimeter square per minute. All of you understood? 8th question. A balloon which always remains spherical on inflation is being inflated by pumping 900 cubic centimeter of gas per second. I told you, if you are not getting it or confused, so please check the unit. It's a cubic centimeter. That means it is change in volume. Find the rate at which the radius of the balloon increases when radius is 15 centimeter. Same procedure, writing the given condition first. dV by dt is given 900 cubic centimeter per second. I need to find out dr by dt. Radius is given 15 centimeter. What is the volume of sphere? 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Differentiation with respect to t is 4 upon 3 pi into 3r square. Because you are differentiating r with respect to t, so it will be dr by dt. What is the value? 900. It is 4 upon 3 pi into 3 into 15 into 15 into dr by dt. Now 3 and 3 got cancelled. I won't solve it. I will divide it and make it simplify. Pi into 15 into 15 is equal to dr by dt. 15 6 za, 15 4 za, and we got 4 and 4 also got cancelled. I got dr upon dt is equal to 1 upon pi. You are finding out the radius centimeter per second. Hope you understood everything. 9th question. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable radius. What do you mean by the variable? Means I need to differentiate with respect to r. Find the rate at which its volume is increasing with the radius when the latter is 10 centimeter. First, I am writing the volume 4 upon 3 pi r cube. As I said, variable radius dv by dr 4 upon 3 pi into 3r square. Not writing anything because we are differentiating the same variable with respect to the same thing. That is why we are not writing anything. Here this got cancelled. Now 4 upon 3 pi, r value is 10 into 10. Sorry, by mistake. This has become 400 pi centimeter cube because I am changing the volume with respect to r, which is also in the centimeter. That become your answer. Hope you will understand everything. If any problem is coming, please comment in a comment section. 10th question. A ladder 5 centimeter long is leaning against a wall. The bottom of the ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall at the rate of 2 centimeter per second. How fast is the height on the wall decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 centimeter away from the wall. Now, if I make the figure, as the ladder is always a slanting way, so this is the ladder, 5 centimeter. I will make the naming. Now, it says that ladder is pulled along the ground away from the wall. That is 2 centimeter per second. How fast is the height on the wall is decreasing when the foot of the ladder is 4 centimeter. Means this is 4 centimeter. I need to find out height. As we can see that it is an right angle triangle. So first of all, we will use the Pythagoras theorem. 5 square, let it be, I am taking as y because we are representing with x. X square plus y square, 25, x is 4 ka square plus y square, 25 minus 16, y square is equal to 9, and it will be y is equal to 3. I got all the values. Now, what we need to find out, I have given that it is like this. I will differentiate with respect to t, 0 as the constant, 2x into dx by dt plus 2y into dy by dt. Now, this become minus 2x dx upon dt is equal to 2y into dy by dt. 2 and 2 got cancelled. What is the value of x? This is 4. Dx by dt is 2 with the minus sign. Y is 3, we got it. And dy by dt, that means the change in the height I need to find out. Dy by dt. It become minus 8 by 3 is equal to dy by dt. I think all of you will understand every step. 11th question. A particle moves along the curve 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Find the point on the curve at which y coordinate is changing. Changing means this is the differentiation with respect to t is given, equals to 8 times as fast as the x coordinate. Writing the given condition, 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. dy by dt is equal to 8 times of dx by dt. What we need to find out? X and y. I will differentiate this part. 6 into dy by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt plus 0. 2 differentiation is 0. Now 6 into dy by dt, I am putting this value, dx by dt is equal to 3x square into dx by dt. 3 ones are 3 twos are. I got 16 dx by dt minus x square into dx by dt is equal to 0. I will take it dx by dt common and getting it 16 minus x square is equal to 0. Our condition is x square is equal to 16, x is equal to plus minus of 4. Now, I got x ka value. We need to find out y. How to find out y? We have given the condition 6y is equal to x cube plus 2. Case 1, when you are taking x is equal to 4, 6y 4 cube plus 2, which is equals to 64 plus 2, which is equals to 66. Y is equal to 11. One of the coordinate we got it 4 and 11. Next one, when I am putting case second, this is x is equal to minus 4, 6y minus 4 cube plus 2, 6y is equal to minus 64 plus 2, I got minus 62. Y is equal to minus 62 upon 6, 2 3s are 31. The another coordinate become minus 4 and minus 31 upon 3. Understand? 12th question. The radius of an air bubble is increasing at the rate of 1/2 centimeter per second. At what rate is the volume of the bubble increasing when radius is 1 centimeter? तो आप सबने देखा कि सारे क्वेश्चंस में या तो रेडियस में चेंज लाना है या वॉल्यूम में चेंज लाना है या एरिया में. तो इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट द क्वेश्चन वुड बी वेरी इजी. नाउ first of all, same thing, writing the given condition. dr by dt is equal to 1/2 centimeter per second. Finding out dv by dt, r is equal to 1 centimeter. When you are writing the given condition from the question, half of the question will be solved here only. Then what would be the volume? Bubble means spherical shape. 4/3 pi r cube dv by dt is equal to 4/3 pi. It is 3r square into dr by dt. Cancelling 4/4 pi, r is 1 into 1. dr by dt is half. Putting all the values, I got answer as 2 pi centimeter cube per second. According to what change we are doing, we need to write the unit. Hope you are understanding. 13th question. A balloon which always remains spherical has a variable diameter of this one. Find the rate of change of volume with respect to x. First of all, it is diameter 3/2 2x plus 1. I need to convert it into a radius which is equals to 3/4 2x plus 1. Now what we need to find out? dv by dx, which is given in the question only. Now volume of sphere 4/3 pi r cube. First of all, need to put the values. 4/3 pi r cube means 3/4 whole cube, 2x plus 1 whole cube. dv, first I will simplify this one to make it easy for you. 3/4 into 9/16, 2x plus 1 whole power 3. See, this and this got cancelled. I got it, volume is equal to 9/16 pi 2x plus 1 whole power 3. dv by dx is equal to 9/16 pi, first power differentiation 2x plus 1 whole square. Using chain rule, 2x का differentiation 2, 1 का 0. 2 1s are 2 8s are. You are getting 27/8 pi 2x plus 1 whole square. And because it is difference volume, centimeter cube. Got it, bachcho? 14th question. Sand is pouring from a pipe at the rate of 12 centimeter cube per second. The falling sand forms a cone. I am writing here dv by dt is equal to 12 centimeter cube per second. Now, such a way that the height of the cone is always 1/6 of the radius. Height equals to 1/6 of the radius. How fast is the height of the sand increases? Need to find out dh by dt, where h is equal to 4 centimeter. I have written all the given condition what we need to find out. Now the question would be very easy. What is the volume of cone? 1/3 pi r square h. Now r and h both are variable, so I have to remove one of the variable. R is equal to 6h. Why I did not take it r? Because I need to find out dh by dt. Differentiation with respect to t. 1/3 pi, wait, I will first put the values, then we will solve it. 1 minute. 1 upon 3 pi 6h whole square into h, it is equals to 1 upon 3 pi 36 h cube. I solved it. Now I am differentiating with respect to t. It become 12 pi into 3h square into dh by dt. dv by dt is already given 12. 12 pi into 3, height is given 4 into 4 into dh by dt. Getting cancelled. dh by dt is equal to 1 upon 48 pi, because we are finding out height with respect to time, centimeter per second. 15th question. The total cost in rupees associated with the production of x units of an item is given by C of x is equal to, means the total cost function in the form of x is 0.007 x cube minus 0.003 x square plus 15x plus 4000. Find the marginal cost when 17 units are produced. What do you mean by the marginal cost? Marginal cost is the change in the total cost, and what we call as the change in the cost, differentiation of the total cost. And here x is equal to 17 units given. Let's start. dc by dx is equal to 0.07 into 3x square minus 0.03 into 2x plus 15 plus 0. Now it become 0.021 x square minus 0.06 x plus 15. Put the value of x, which is 17, minus 0.06 into 17 plus 15. It become 17 का square 289 minus 0.006 into 17 plus 15. Leaving the calculation for you, solve it and find out the answer. The total revenue in rupees received from the sale of X unit of a product is given by this. Now you need to find out the revenue, marginal revenue when X is equal to 7. Same procedure, marginal revenue is equal to change in the total revenue. It is equals to 13 into 2x plus 26, which is equals to 26x plus 26. X is given 7 units, so I will put that value. It is equals to 26 into 7 plus 26, which is equals to 182 plus 26. Got it? Rupees 208. Hope you will understand everything. Now the 17th and 18th question are remaining. Please solve it yourself. If you won't get, let me know in the comment section. I will clarify your doubts. Thank you so much. Please, if you like my videos, like it, subscribe it, because अगर आप like करेंगे, subscribe करेंगे तो मेरे को भी motivation मिलेगा और मैं आपको और बहुत अच्छे videos डालूंगी.